Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. Another video here on this project I'm working on. Had part of a retaining wall that collapsed into this yard. I've got that rebuilt. I'm gonna do a French drain down here. This started getting some moisture issues. Didn't have the right drain in it to start, so they added this guy here. And the company that did that, this is just all wrong. It's perforated, wrapped up a whole bunch of layers of weed block. There was no chance of water even getting in there. And as I was digging this up, it's just like, if that trench ain't perfect, draining, from where you're starting ground zero out to here's where I'm going to be daylighting the moisture. Once I get this all dug out, I'll have a nice little layer of gravel in there, get compacted. We'll wrap this actual French drain pipe in a sock, lay him in there, get him covered with rock. It'll catch all this water and extend the life of this wall quite a bit. Jade Alpine, you can follow this project and over 2,000 others on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and you can watch over 2,000 videos of my projects. Thanks for watching Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next video.